Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Amazon Pay for your US online store, full guide step by step clearly. To begin authorizing Amazon Pay for your US online store, visit the Amazon Pay website. Click on the Get Started button to initiate the registration process. You will need to sign in to your existing Amazon account or create a new one if you don't have an account already. Once logged in, you will be directed to the Amazon Pay Merchant Agreement. Review the agreement carefully and click on Accept to proceed. Next, fill out the required business information, including your legal business name, address, and tax identification number. Provide the details of your business type, such as LLC, corporation, or sole proprietorship. Enter your banking information, including the account where you want your payments deposited. Be sure to include the necessary routing and account numbers for accuracy. You will then be prompted to set up your payment preferences, including currency and transaction types. Complete any additional verification steps, which may include confirming your identity and business details. Once all information is submitted, review your application and ensure everything is accurate. Click on the Submit button to send your application to Amazon for approval. You will receive a confirmation email once your application is processed. Check your email regularly for updates or requests for further information from Amazon. After your account is approved, log back into the Amazon Pay dashboard. Configure your integration settings by selecting the platform or e-commerce solution you are using. Follow the step-by-step integration guide provided in the dashboard tailored to your platform. Implement the required code snippets or plugins as directed to enable Amazon Pay on your checkout page. Once integrated, conduct a test transaction to ensure that everything is functioning correctly. If everything works as intended, you are ready to start accepting Amazon Pay on your online store. Monitor your Amazon Pay dashboard regularly for transaction updates and performance metrics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.